Alright guys, welcome back after that short break. We'll continue now with travel allowance. So let's see exactly what a travel allowance is. I indicated here that a travel allowance is a predetermined sum of money given to an employee to cover the fixed cost of operating, fueling, and maintaining their own vehicle while it is being used for business, right? Based on the value of the vehicle, the South African Revenue Services, that SARS, produces a table that is used to calculate the entire running cost of a vehicle. Now let's quickly put all of this into practice. So the first example here says, Mr. Nkomo, a salesperson for HSN Consulting, uses his car for work-related purposes. The value of his car is 198,599 Rand. He travels approximately 35,000 kilometers per annum. Use the SARS running cost table below to calculate Mr. Nkomo's monthly travel allowance. Now let me show you how we will go about with this question. Right, so keep in mind, as indicated, is the value of his car. Let me just show that to you again, 198,599 Rand. Okay guys, so the value is 198,599 Rand. That's the value of his vehicle. So now I'm looking for the fixed cost, right? Fixed cost, remember that's where I'll find this value of the car. So the fixed cost per annum is 49,112 Rand. So I'm going to indicate that. 49,112 Rand. Then for the fuel cost, if you can see here, fuel cost is indicated as cents per kilometer. That is 90.1 cents per kilometer. Now I'm saying it's 90.1 multiply. Now if you look for how many kilometers did he travel this specific year, I'm going to indicate there 35,000 kilometers per year. So I take that and I multiply it by 35,000 kilometers. Right, so let's quickly indicate 90.1 multiplied by 35,000. That should give you 3,153,500. Remember now that is cents. So equals, and I'm going to write here, 3,153,500 cents. So remember we are working in Rand, so I divide this by 100 to get the value in Rand, divided by 100. So that will give us fuel cost for the year of 31,535 Rand. All right. Then also, what else are we looking for? The maintenance cost. Let's look at the maintenance cost. That's also cents per kilometer. Maintenance cost 39.1 cents per kilometer. So again, I take my 39.1 multiply by the 35,000 kilometers he traveled per year. So let's type that in, 31.9. Multiply by 35,000. That will give us 1,368,500 cents. Again, I will take this and I divide that by 100 to convert from cents into Rand. So let me type that in. So that will give us an amount of 13,685 Rand. So for the maintenance cost, it is 13,685 Rand. So what is the total annual running cost? We take our fixed cost of 49,112 Rand, plus we take our fuel cost, 31,535 Rand, plus we take our maintenance cost of 13,685 Rand. So let's add all of these amounts together. So it's 31,535 plus 13,685 plus 13,600. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's 49,112 plus 31,535 plus your 13,685. So that will give us all in all an amount for total running cost, 94,332. Remember, this is per year. And lastly, we say, what is the monthly travel allowance? So therefore, I'll take my annual travel allowance. I take my 94,332 Rand and I divide that by 12. So divided by 12, So his monthly travel allowance equals to 7,861. I hope that's clear. Let's quickly move on. See. Right, guys, now we'll be looking at invoices. Let's see exactly what an invoice is. Right, it says an invoice is a description of the amount owed, along with a list of goods or services that were provided. Multiply the unit cost or quantity by the number of products you bought to get the total. And also important to know is, in order for businesses that have registered for VAT to be able to collect VAT back from the government, VAT is listed separately on an invoice. Let's put all of this in practice. So here, again, you have an invoice, a lot of information. It's your duty to first peruse, see what's happening before you start to answer. Question number 1. Who is the service provider? So if you look at this, the service provider in this case will be Fast Cars. So I'm going to write that answer in. Our service provider is Fast Cars. All right. Second question, what is the unit cost for labor? Right now, let's quickly find there. You can see is labor. It's right here. In total, we paid 8,000 Rand. That's indicated there. And then the quantity here shows 11 hours. All right, so how will I go about? I'll take the 8,000 and I divide that by 11. 8,000 divided by 11 hours, basically. So we are saying the cost here per unit, per hour, is 727 Rand and 27 cents. I already rounded off to 2 decimal places. Next question, it says calculate the balance due for this invoice. So if I look, balance due, meaning what needs to be paid, right? So I look at the price, all of this here, okay? So meaning I have to add all of that together. So therefore I'll take the 7,300 plus 35,800, remember this is all Rand, plus 2,130 Rand and 99 cents plus 899 Rand and 50 cents plus your 8,000 Rand that is being paid for the labor. Okay, so let's quickly add all of this. 7,300 plus your 35,800 plus 2,130 Rand and 99 cents plus your 899 Rand 50 cents and then lastly plus 8,000. So all in all, what needs to be paid here is 54,130 Rand and 49 cents. So I added all my amounts together to see how much I need to pay. All right. Now this is the VAT exclusive amount. Remember here we indicate VAT at 15%. So therefore, I'm going to take this 54,130 Rand and 49 cents and I will multiply that by 1,15 to include our VAT. So it's 54,130 Rand and 49 cents. It's 54,130 Rand and 49 cents multiplied by 1.15. So all in all, you'll pay 62,250 Rand, and I'm going to round off straight away, and 6 cents. Okay, so I hope that is clear. So what I did, I added all the amounts together, got the VAT exclusive amount. Thereafter, I multiplied by 1,15, and I got my VAT inclusive amount. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you soon. Please stay safe out there, and remember to work every day. See you soon.